Hi guys, Gareth of Traffic and Automation here, and in this video I want to talk about Convertri versus ClickFunnels. So which funnel builder should you get? Which is the best funnel builder for you to use for your business? If you want to know more about marketing, affiliate marketing, or anything to do with traffic and automation, then please subscribe to our channel and tell us what you like. Make sure you comment below and get involved so we know what videos you like and we can produce more for you. But with that said, let's get involved and get down to which funnel builder you should buy and which one is the best for your business. Now, looking at both of these, it's difficult to see many differences, especially for the average beginner. And we've been using both ClickFunnels and Convertri since day one, and we love them both. In fact, we've got about 4 other accounts with different builders out there, and we also like many of those. But Convertri and ClickFunnels have always remained at the top. They're the 2 top ones that we use and also recommend for anybody out there that asks us that very question. So which one's best for your business? There's a few key things that you need to know and a few key differences that may be the deciding point for you when choosing which one to get. So first off, we have Convertri. Now Convertri is one that we're actually currently using a little bit less than ClickFunnels, and we're going to get into the reason for that very, very soon. But what we love about Convertri is the simplicity. They have focused on the core of what they do, and that is simple pages, very clean and easy to design funnels, but also lightning fast funnels. So if you are doing anything to do with mobile, if a lot of what you're actually doing, I know the whole marketing, the whole websites, everything is moving towards mobile anyways, but a lot of these websites compress things and make your websites extremely fast anyway. So all websites are generally mobile responsive. ClickFunnels is mobile responsive, but Convertri, they have their system hosted on the same host servers as systems like Twitter. So they are lightning fast. Their pages load in microseconds rather than actual seconds. So if you are looking to increase your conversions by not losing people with slow page loading times, and ClickFunnels can be pretty bad with this. ClickFunnels pages are getting faster, but they can still take a few seconds to actually load. And in those few seconds, you might well lose someone. So if you're doing a lot of things to do with mobile, then Convertri may be a very, very good option for you because those pages are going to be lightning fast. And also, now that Google has brought out a lot of changes with the way the search results work, if your website is slower, you will be ranked lower. So what Convertri is doing with their speeds is hugely important to those who are doing SEO and those who are looking to make sure that their rankings stay extremely high, where you may lose a little bit with ClickFunnels. We haven't actually tested between the two for SEO ranking. It's not something we do a massive amount of, but if that's important to you, then Convertri may be a winner again. So what's the main other differences that Convertri has above ClickFunnels? Well, the main one for me is if you're an agency and let's say you wanted to start building funnels for customers, then Convertri is a fantastic option because they have an agency level account. So if you wanted to do this with ClickFunnels, your clients would have to buy a ClickFunnels account, or you would have to also buy that for them, which means an additional $100 to $300 per month for you as a business or for your client before they've even started doing business with you. Whereas Convertri, for somewhere around, I believe, $100 a month, you're able to get 25 sub-accounts included with your membership. So that means you have your main account, but you also have 25 sub-accounts that you can give access to your clients to, and they will have their very own account that they can log in and edit and use and add separate payment gateways to be able to take payments. So what that means is you can sell it as a service and charge your clients the extra rather than actually having to pay it to the likes of ClickFunnels. So you get those 25 accounts. Now, it's worth mentioning that those accounts, the sub-accounts cannot add pages or funnels themselves. The idea is that it is purely for agencies, so you would still have to add pages or add funnels for your clients to edit, or you would obviously design it for them. So it's a completely fully functional account other than the fact that you have to add the pages for them. But you can very quickly see that $100 a month for 25 sub-accounts that you manage, you could sell very low-cost services to be able to sell this as an agency service and actually recoup the rewards and have a very low-cost, profitable business very, very quickly. Now, Convertri, it does actually integrate with all of the major email autoresponders. It automates with the likes of Demio for webinars. It integrates with all of the main tools that you would expect. And it's very, very simple and clean to set up your funnels and to be able to actually add all the different integrations and to make sure that you're adding domains. Now, I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritty of how these two tools work. We have lots of additional training videos in the Academy, which we'll put a link below this video inside the description, so you can go and get more detailed ClickFunnels training or funnel training in general. But as far as setting things up, they're both relatively straightforward. But what is worth mentioning is that there is a very unique difference. So this is the third unique difference between Convertri and ClickFunnels, and that is that ClickFunnels has a very basic builder, where Convertri has a free flow builder, as they call it. And what that basically means in layman's terms is that you can move anything anywhere on the page. So I can click any part of anything and I could just start dragging around. Now, I'm struggling to do this probably because of the screen recording, but as you can see, I'm not limited to a grid-like builder, whereas if you saw the likes of ClickFunnels and I was to open one of these pages and quickly pop inside, it is the sections, rows, elements, very much a grid builder, which works just fine, but it means that you're limited to where you can move and place certain pieces of content. So if you're used to being able to add things just about anywhere you want and to have pages that respond in the way you want as a designer, or as someone that just wants something to be a bit more flexible, shall I say, a bit more like Wix, shall we say. A Wix builder you may be familiar with if you've ever had a go with their free accounts. It's very much like that in the sense that you can drag content anywhere and you have far more flexibility at editing than you do with ClickFunnels. So if I open this up, as you can see, we've got the grids here where I can add sections, which are the green, or all the different rows and columns and elements, and that's it. But you have to work inside that grid. There is ways of working around it and you can make things overlap, but it's far more inflexible than the likes of Convertri. But with that said, why do we use ClickFunnels more? As a business, we use ClickFunnels a lot more than we do Convertri, and I don't understand for the life of me why, but I believe it's because Convertri is more complicated with the builder. There's a slightly higher learning curve. Now, you can do a hell of a lot more once you learn that, but most people who are complete beginners actually benefit from having something that's very simple and a bit more rigid, like ClickFunnels. So in terms of actual pure funnel builders and having a lot more control, Convertri is actually far better. And yet, the more successfully sold and the more simple to use and quicker to build funnels with is ClickFunnels. So it's actually the reason that ClickFunnels, in a way, is still our leading funnel builder, and probably the one that we recommend more over Convertri. Just for the average builder who, if you're looking to get started, ClickFunnels has a lot more templates. It has a lot more simple, there's a lot more training involved, free training available to make it very simple for you to be up and running with a funnel much easier. So by giving you all the templates and giving you their cookbook, where you can start to build the funnels in their system and you lay things out very simply, it is actually really, really easy to build your funnel pages and to have something up and running very, very quickly. So for me, that is a massive win. And the reason why I believe ClickFunnels, even though it's more expensive than Convertri and more expensive than most of the funnel builders out there, it's actually, in terms of the funnel builders themselves, ClickFunnels is not the best. It's the marketing and the team that surrounds ClickFunnels that actually makes it seem like such a big deal. But in terms of funnel building, pure funnel building, Convertri is probably a bit better. But as I'm saying, the parts that actually make Convertri better actually may be what's making it sell less than ClickFunnels. So if you're looking for a very easy funnel builder, one that's going to be easier for you to be up and running, one that probably does a few more things, like it has the membership areas, it has a few more integrations, it has a lot more templates, it has a little bit more training, so it's a lot more beginner friendly. So the added benefits of the likes of ClickFunnels would be that they would also give you the membership areas and a few additional features that Convertri doesn't have. But that is the only really winning point. In terms of the ClickFunnels versus Convertri, it really comes down to the simplicity that you want. Most people go all in on ClickFunnels because it can do the email marketing, it can do their membership, it can do everything from one single platform. Now, we generally prefer to use things separately, so we're not dependent on one tool, or there's not integration issues later on, because ClickFunnels is very much driving towards making you just use it as a single platform. But being able to do everything in one place for people getting started is another big plus for ClickFunnels. So being able to use it for your emails, being able to use it for your pages, for your domains, for your affiliate marketing, for just about anything that you want to do inside, that is a big plus as well. So I don't know if we've actually change this much, but what I would say, if you're looking to start an agency or you're very mobile orientated with your funnels and pages, and you don't look to build pages and funnels all of the time, you just want to set up a few, then I would probably go for Convertri. It's going to be more friendly for you in the terms of the agency, and it's going to be better for you in terms of mobile loading. But there is a slightly higher learning curve, but with that, you're saving money as well, so Convertri is a great option. We'll put a link below this video so you can go and check it out for yourself. I believe they've got a free trial. I think both ClickFunnels and Convertri have a free trial. But if you want something that's just quick, easy, you can get share funnels, you can get a lot more templates, then for most people, I would recommend ClickFunnels over Convertri, just for that very reason, that it's just going to make your life much easier, much quicker to learn. So if you're not techie at all, then ClickFunnels is probably going to be the best bet for you. As always, I hope you've got something out of that video. If you would like more training on Convertri and ClickFunnels, we have additional training on funnels and especially ClickFunnels inside our academy. It's completely free. And again, I'll put a link below this video so you can access that yourself. We look forward to seeing you in the next training. Please send some comments below so we know that you're enjoying these videos that we're creating, and I'll see you next time.